In this demo, I will be showcasing how to integrate the Ople platform, Tableau Data Prep, and Tableau Desktop to build and use a propensity to buy model to help us predict whether a customer will buy our product and the likelihood of that event. First, let's look at our data. We have two Excel files, one with information about our marketing campaigns and their outcomes, and the other one is information about customers. Now in Tableau Data Prep, we are going to join these data sources using customer ID to create our training data set. Now that we have our training data, we can build a model using the Ople extension in Tableau Desktop. For the sake of expediency, I have already built a model using the same data, and I have also deployed it. Let's go inside of it and get some insights from our data and our predictions. As you can see here, our model is 87% accurate. And if you look at the report at the bottom, which is a feature importance report, you can see that the columns that were the most important for this model were the duration and the month. Now that I have built a model, I can use the insights from the Ople model to create a dashboard to do descriptive analytics. I use the duration and the month to explore the interesting patterns in our past data. Now, let's use the Ople model to predict whether our current customers will purchase our product and how likely they are of purchasing. We do this by incorporating a prediction script from Ople in our data prep flow here. This is how the script looks. It is very simple and it's provided by Ople for you to make these predictions. Now let's go back to Tableau Data Prep and let's run those predictions on our data. It's important to note that we did 20,000 predictions in about 20 seconds. We can import our prediction to the Tableau Desktop. You can see that we have two extra columns, predicted labels with information about whether they purchased or not, and then the predicted positive probability on how likely they are to purchase. Given that we have predicted the outcomes of our current customers, we can now do some predictive analytics. We can see here that duration is one of the most important features, as you can see here, in deciding whether someone purchases or not. Additionally, you can see here that there are some labeled as no's, but with the likelihood that's 50-50. So maybe these are people that we can focus on. Lastly, we can do prescriptive analytics by using Tableau Desktop and a calculated field from Ople that will make predictions. In this case, we have a customer information here, and we know that this person is not going to purchase with a probability of 90%. What we can do here is change some of the columns and see if we can alter that prediction. In this case, duration is one of the most important columns. As you can see here, Ople makes a prediction that still this person is not going to buy, but the probability of that decreased exponentially by set to 74%. Now let's also alter the month that we contact the person. And let's do it 1 month earlier in July. Now, Ople predicts that this person is going to purchase with a likelihood of 52%, which is an improvement on the previous outcome. In this demo, we took a look at how easy it is for a Tableau user to integrate the Ople platform with Tableau by using the Ople extension, by making predictions in Tableau Data Prep, and creating a what-if scenario using Ople's calculated field. Now, a business analyst who wants to embrace AI can do so with our integration.